Okay, hello again everybody. Here's video number 2, and since the last one, this is what I've been up to. Now, what I've had to do here is fix everything to my welding table. So first of all, you can see I've done the mounted the bearing holding bits of plate, whatever you want to call them, the bearing plate mounting plates. You can see you've got to prepare for these YouTube videos, and I've actually done 2 cuts. The first 2 bosses have been done, and I am very relieved. It actually seems to be working quite good. I've just got a high-speed steel tool bit in there which I ground up myself, and my little boy Connor's going to show you some of the cuttings here. I just say hi, Connor.
Hi everybody.
Yeah, there's my pride and joy. Now, yeah, so there's all the cuttings. It's been a success. I didn't get any vibration. You actually get vibration when you actually don't put any load on it. You just keep a slight feed, and it's working good. Now, the feed mechanism I'm using is very crude, and I thought it was going to be a disaster, but it's actually proved to work quite well. This is a 3/8 socket with 2 universal joints. I've lined them up as best as possible because they're not exactly a ball bearing or a roller bearing universal joint, just the basic things you use with your socket set, and I've put plenty of oil on them, so hopefully they're not going to get too badly affected. And this is a little feed unit I made up out of bits of metal I had lying around, and nothing but my 1100 watt electric drill operating in low gear at its slow speed. And if we close in a bit, you can see just a probably, I think that's a standard 12mm threaded rod, which is used for feeding, and nothing but just my little 3/8 drive ratchet handle to slowly feed it in. All very crude, but it's working. This whole unit, the orange unit, the feed unit, I've actually, you know, tack welded that to my workbench as well. So it's a bit like a kind of very crude lathe system, you know. It's just a bed, and everything that's all attached to the table, or the kingpin knuckle. So it all acts as one unit, and when I feed the drill, it just pushes the bar through. And I have to say, extremely relieved that it is cutting. So I thought before I come back with a second video, I will do 2 tests and see that it works good. So I'll set it away. I'll put the camera back in position, and we'll start it up. Okay, Connor, set it away, little one. Right, Connor, can you hold this light here? You're going to hold it just above the camera. Okay, so I'm basically just going away to start the feed, and you can just watch it feeding. I'm going to hold it above the camera. Above the camera. Hold the light up, please. And there we have it. There's another one done. That's as long as it took, and that was opening the bore by about an extra 4mm diameter. So there you are. It's that's my line boring system, and seems to be working good so far. I'm going to actually sleeve these bores because I don't have any bore welding equipment. It's about the only choice I've really got, but it's not entirely critical if for any reason all the bores aren't exactly the same diameter. Say I'll be using a carbide bit to finish off with, so hopefully that won't reduce, it won't wear at all over these 4 bores, and they will all be identical diameters, you know, but I can measure each one independently and put and make sleeves up to suit if that is a problem. Okay, thanks for watching. I might come back with another one, so keep your eyes open for a 3rd video, and which I can maybe show pressing the sleeves in. Alright, thanks everyone.